If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Market Cipher on TradingView. So first of all, I'll need to delete the indicators I've added previously. So it's already clean. So go to your indicators, then select technicals and search for Market Cipher. So some indicators of Market Cipher is not for free, but in this case, we're lucky to have a free version for Market Cipher. So add the B version, and you'll see here it automatics adds. So if you want to add the another version, go again to your technicals and then search for Market Cipher and click the A free version 1.1. So first, let's define what is Market Cipher. So Market Cipher is a powerful tool for trading that combines multiple indicators into one, giving you signals for potential buy and sell opportunities. So as you can see for the first indicator with add, which is the Market Cipher B, well, this is the main oscillator that and shows up at the bottom of your chart. You'll see here the blue and yellow with a dot of red and green. Sometimes it's blue. So what does this green and red dots means? Green dots signal potential buying points and red dots suggest potential selling points. And when you see here a blue and red waves, like what you see here, we only see a blue waves and yellow waves. So blue waves, they show the money flow. When it's blue and moving up, it signals capital flowing into the asset, while red indicates outflow. Now, the yellow wave means that this volume weighted average price line can signal trend changes. When the yellow wave crosses zero, it's often a sign of possible price reversal. So for the second indicator with add, which is the Market Cipher A, this appears on the main price chart and gives you additional buy and sell signals. So as you can see here, we have a green and red diamonds. Well, this indicates possible bullish or bearish changes. And the triangles, as you see here, that is the blue triangles can show potential breakout levels, and orange triangles may signal trend reversal. So the blood diamonds, this is a strong bearish sign showing that the potential price drop may be coming. So now let's talk about using Market Cipher to find entries and exits. And in here, you'll want to pay attention to those green and red dots on Market Cipher B, because it's the potential buy and sell signals. And if the blue money flow wave crosses in the green, this often signal bullish momentum, while crossing in the red indicates bearish sentiment. And another useful signal is when the yellow WAP line crosses zero, which often suggests a potential trend change. And remember, managing risk is essential. Always set a stop loss and take profit levels to protect your investment. Because Market Cipher is powerful, but it's just one tool. Make sure to practice using it in a demo account if you're new to it. So that's it. That's how you use Market Cipher on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.